Let's explore how to set up a checkout in your Kartra account. Start by navigating to Sales, and then the Checkout section in the sidebar of the dashboard. Next, click on Checkout to create a new one. Give your checkout a name and choose the type you prefer. There are 3 options. Kartra Hosted is an automatically generated checkout page. Pop-up checkout can be added to any page and opened by a button click. And embedded checkout is a form that is added directly to the design of a sales page. For this demonstration, we'll select the Kartra Hosted page option. Next, we'll select the product we're selling. These products have already been set up in the account. The only thing left to do is to select the product and choose the price point to display. For this, we'll choose multi-price. We have 2 different offers or ways for customers to buy this product, and we want to display both on the same checkout form. In the center of the page, we can choose a design for the Kartra Hosted checkout page. Some are labeled as best for mobile, while others may be more suitable for desktop view. All layouts are mobile responsive, so they will work on any devices. However, some simpler designs are more optimal for a mobile experience. We'll choose one of those. Finally, click Create to complete the process. Now we are inside the checkout configuration. From here, we can browse through the settings. If we want to change the name, we can do it at the top. We also have the option to edit the direct link to our checkout page here. This is particularly useful if we want to incorporate a custom URL. If a custom domain is integrated with our account, it can be added here. Checkout design is the first option. This is what people will see when they land on the payment page. Some of the options shown here are dictated by the connected product, including all the form fields. If we need to change the number or types of fields, we can return to the product setup and adjust them there. For now, this looks good and we are happy with the layout of the form. However, we do want to include our own branding. We will select from our brand palette here to choose one of our colors. Click Save to close the module and move on to the next setting. Continuing on, we can see that our logo has already been populated, so we'll leave that as it is. Next, we'll continue to the Settings tab to review the details there. The name and description will be displayed on the checkout form when people arrive, so we want to update this. We will adjust the name to reflect the actual product that we're selling so that people will see that in the checkout form. They will also see the description, so we'll add something relevant there as well. For instance, course for self-published authors. Check the box for bank statement description if you want customers to see the name of the checkout on their bank statement, reminding them of their purchase. If this is unchecked, the customer will see the name of the linked product instead. Let's save that. If there's a need to modify the product configured initially, it can be done here. Should you change your mind about the desired price point, you can adjust it. For the time being, we'll keep it at multi. Let's save that. Next, we need to decide on the payment processor to connect to the checkout. Our goal is to make mobile payments available to our customers. Therefore, we'll choose the Stripe Connect integration. We select it here and then click Save. If you're unsure whether Stripe Connect is enabled, go to the settings in your account, located in the bottom left corner. Click on Integrations. In the Integrations, look for a Stripe module with a green check mark and a Stripe account ID, followed by the account name below. As you can see, these are both Stripe Connect integrations. The one here is not Stripe Connect, hence the red alert. As long as there's a green check mark with the account name displayed, you know that Stripe Connect is enabled and can be connected with the checkout. Now, let's return to the checkout we were working on. Here it is. Currently, it's marked in demo mode as it's not yet published. Let's take a quick look back at the settings. Double-checking the payment details, you can see it has the account ID and the name of our Stripe Connect integration. In the Settings tab, you'll find the name of the product, a description, and the linked product. Finally, under the Design tab, we see that the design matches our brand color. Everything is in order. Now let's move on to publishing the checkout. To share this checkout with anyone interested in purchasing the product, simply copy this URL. Remember that you can customize it if you want. Click on the icon to copy it, and you're all set to share the page. Let's open a new tab to demonstrate what it looks like. As you can see, the chosen inline checkout style is displayed here. The name we added in the settings and the description are also displayed. There are 2 different payment options available for customers. They can enter their information, provide their payment details, submit their payment, and voila! That's how easy it is to create a new checkout for Kartra.